Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. I'm here in my backyard setting up a new shelter. It's actually a hammock tent, and it's a 4-season tent, so you can use it in winter. And I just set it up for the first time just to see how it goes, and I just want you to take a peek. Anyway, there it is. It's all strung out and everything. Got a cot in there and my wood stove. Lots of room in there. And yeah, so it's a hammock tent, so you could actually hang a hammock inside that and be able to camp in the winter without having to climb out of your hammock with the snow blowing and whatnot. Not really my idea of fun, but anyway. Yeah, so I think that's going to suit me just fine as a replacement for the old hoop shelter. And I can take it down when I'm not using it and bring it home, so there's no chance of homeless people finding it, or vandals finding it, or animals making a mess in there like I used to have with the other shelter. Oh, talking about my other shelter, last Wednesday, that'd be June 25th, at 9:45 p.m., the trail camera that I have that's on the trail that goes out to where my hoop shelter used to be had a coyote cross it. So I'm going to tack it on here towards the end of this video, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Well, I'm just going to go sit down on that cot and enjoy a couple of minutes. Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more Muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.